Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete Chrome Incognito history on Android. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete all your search history on Chrome Incognito browser, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Chrome browser. Then make sure you go to the Incognito. On the Incognito, click on the number icon that depicts the total number of pages or tabs you have opened. Now go ahead and close it. So that is literally how you can close or delete incognito history, because incognito do not hold your search history. However, if you want to take a step further, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Android phone. Go ahead and click on apps or app management. Under apps or apps management, you want to go ahead and then click on the Chrome browser. So scroll down until you get to the Chrome browser and click on it. Scroll down the app info page, locate and click on storage. And after that, locate and click on clear cache. Then once your cache is cleared, then this is going to delete your Chrome Incognito history on your Chrome browser. And that's it. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.